That's what I've been doing all afternoon. Me and the Buddha head trying to make an access through there so I don't have to put one on the outside. Fun. And then suddenly it broke free. Look at that. And we'll have an access under here. Put a beam across here now. Short little beam. Cut this back and hanger it. Boom. I don't have to spend all that energy out here now digging a well. There's a little chunk for you. Man. 2 feet wide. 16 inches big. 6 or 8 inches thick. I got to get it out of here and all this debris. Nothing but a thing. I can do it. I'm tired though. Crazy. A lot of dirt to get out of here too. That's the only way I can pick up that thing. Break it in half. 3 pieces. Otherwise, no way. It's over 100 pounds.